Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for expert advice and inspiration in the realm of outdoor aesthetics. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have a corner of your yard that never sees the sun, or a backyard tucked under heavy tree canopies, you might think you're stuck with a patch of bare dirt or patchy grass. But today, we are debunking the myth that you need direct sunlight to have a stunning landscape. We are diving deep into the world of shady gardens, those cool, tranquil, and lush spaces that can actually become the most enchanting part of your home. Whether you're dealing with dappled light or full shade, stick around as we show you how to turn those problem areas into your favorite outdoor retreat. A shady garden is a specialized landscape design tailored for areas that receive limited direct sunlight, typically less than 4 hours a day. These spaces are often categorized by the type of light they receive, such as dappled shade, where sunlight filters through tree leaves, or deep shade, which occurs under dense structures or heavy evergreen cover. Unlike traditional sun-soaked gardens, shady gardens rely on various textures, leaf shapes, and cool-toned colors to create visual interest. It is a unique microclimate that prioritizes a lush, woodland aesthetic over the bright, high-maintenance blooms found in full sun environments. Choosing to develop a shady garden offers several incredible benefits, most notably the creation of a natural cooling station during the heat of summer. Because these areas are protected from the harsh midday sun, they provide a refreshing escape where you can relax without the risk of overheating. Additionally, many shade-loving plants are incredibly hardy and require less frequent watering than sun-loving varieties, as the soil retains moisture longer in the shade. From a design perspective, a shady garden adds a sense of mystery and serenity to your property, offering a quiet, contemplative space that feels worlds away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's easy to love a sunny garden where colorful flowers grow in abundance, adding color to your landscape. Daylilies, lavender, blanket flower, and irises are just a few sun-loving favorites. But if you have a shady yard or a spot that gets little sun, it doesn't mean you can't grow bright blooms to add beauty in darker areas. Using these shady garden corner ideas, enjoy bold, beautiful colors in a shade garden where your yard gets the least sun. Mix and match shade-tolerant annuals, perennials, and shrubs to make every inch of your yard a stunning getaway. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best shady garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, add a shade garden path. A surefire way to improve any shady backyard is to divide and conquer. Here, a paver walkway creates a sense of purpose and destination among a mass of hostas and other foliage plants, and makes the stroll from the gate to the front door a pleasant experience. 2, plant less grass in shade gardens. Every lawn struggles if it doesn't get enough light. So instead of fighting a big patch of fading grass in your yard, keep only a small section of turf and make it a landscape element by surrounding it with a shade garden. Or give up the grass and use shade-loving ground covers, such as heuchera and ajaga. 3, make your shade garden a retreat. Add a bench and some flowers to transform an unused shady spot in your yard into a cool and stylish summer oasis. A shady retreat is the perfect place to enjoy a glass of lemonade on hot, sunny summer days. Consider using salvaged landscaping materials to create a personal garden retreat framework without investing a significant chunk of change. 4, use plants with different textures. Make a bold, dramatic statement in your shade garden, even without flowers, by combining plants with different foliage textures and colors. An easy way to create texture combinations is by pairing leaves with opposite characteristics. Here, golden meadow rue is a stunning contrast to anemone, purple leaf coral bells, and big leaf umbrella plants. 5, go for bright colors. Shades of yellow and gold shine in the shade, so use them to illuminate dim spots. The bright foliage will add warmth, creating an inviting spot to lay a blanket and sit for a while. Here, golden Japanese forest grass complements a hosta and gold leaf Chardonnay pearls deutzia. 6. Plant shade-loving ground covers. Take advantage of low-growing ground covers that crowd out weeds to make your shade garden easier to maintain. As a bonus, many types provide an attractive carpet of color that can add a living path to your landscape. For example, this golden creeping Jenny practically glows underneath a planting of blue hostas, purple coleus, and black mondo grass. 7. Add art to your shade garden. Mix in fun, quirky garden accents to lend personality to your shade garden. A collection of silver spheres creates a focal point and adds light and charm to this garden. The colorful orbs floating in the water garden offer even more interest. Or provide a whimsical touch with a fairy garden that will delight visitors who find it by surprise. 8. Pick interesting shade garden materials. Look past the plants and consider making hardscape elements the focal point of your shade garden. For example, a path mulched with darkwood chips becomes a stunning garden design element when surrounded by white variegated bishop's weed, ornamental grasses, or golden ground covers. To help you get started, try creating a base map of your yard. 9. Plant flowering shrubs. Perennials such as hostas are always popular for shade gardens, but don't forget about the wide selection of flowering shrubs to pack your shady spots with color, texture, and height. Here, various azaleas and rhododendrons provide a big spring punch, and their evergreen foliage keeps the garden looking good in winter. 10. Install a water feature. Install a stream or another water feature to give your shade garden extra sensory appeal through the sound of trickling water. A simple fountain and recirculating pump are all it takes to make garden magic or doe, a small pond filled with shade-loving plants and gathered rocks. Creating a shady garden isn't just about finding plants that survive in the dark. It's about embracing a different kind of beauty that thrives in the quiet. By focusing on rich greens, varied textures, and smart lighting, you can turn a neglected, dim space into a sophisticated sanctuary that adds immense value and character to your home. Remember, every garden has its challenges, but a shady spot is actually a hidden opportunity to create something truly magical and low maintenance. If you found these shady garden ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration. We want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you face with your shady yard? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see these tips in action, click the bell icon so you never miss our weekly decor tours. Happy gardening!